If the laundry business is lucrative, the market is profitable, as people say, why is it that some person will open the business today, before the next 3 months, they close up? What's the reason? Why is that so? You know some persons that they enter the business, before the next 6 months or 1 year, they pack off. So I beg you, I lost my mind, I all don't have to. They sell the equipment. What is the reason behind it? On this video, I want to explain some of the reasons why some persons start the business and then they will not fade up and then run out of the business without profiting from it. Even though, as we keep on saying, the business is lucrative and the market is profitable. So in this video, I want to explain them to you. Once again, this is Pap's Laundry Academy. Do you want to start a laundry business, or you are looking for someone to mentor you on how to grow your laundry business? This channel got to cover. Don't comment in the comment section if you are interested, and then follow the channel on your screen on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, and then you will see the magic on how your business will grow for a small business to a bigger brand business. So let's continue. Welcome back to my channel. If the business is lucrative, why do people always fade out of the business? Number one thing, as I put it now, is bad branding. Branding is everything in the laundry business. You don't just come and carry my branding to put your own branding. Your branding may be top notch, but if your services is not top notch, you feel that people want branding and top notch services. So one of the things that make people fade out in a business is the branding. Secondly, is the location. I keep on making it that location is one of the most important things while starting the laundry business. Location. You cannot tell me that you can survive yes because you have grace on your head, you have oil on your head, you now go to the desert and expect people to come and patronize in the desert. Yes, God work miracle, but some miracle cannot come to reality. Location makes some persons brandly fail. Number 3, instant cash out. Some persons just have the inspiration that laundry business get money, if I enter I just cash out, and they'll now invest millions on it, buy new equipment, buy new things, make the branding, have a good location. They have the location, they have the branding, but they now find that sometimes it's not what you say that happen. Sometimes customer buy the clothes. You saw this clothes, so customer will buy. Look at myself. If you go to my HQ, go to my other offices, there's some clothes buy down. Even though I put some rules and regulations there, say the clothes more than 4 months will be lost and this and that. So customer will see deliberately the clothes there, because why? We don't go and force them. Someone who are not able to eat, we don't come and wear clothes. You get? So food matters a lot than clothes on that aspect. So instant cash out, they want the money. No. They calculate it. So all the things in my store now, everything is 20,000. May they come now, but the customer will not come. You'll be calling them, they will be passing by. They will flying by and they will debit by. So instant cash out. The laundry business is a business of patience. Yes. And you want to buy some kind of things now, you want to buy things yourself, and then you don't have the money, but the money is stuck in your office there. Because those frustration, they will just give up. They give up easily. That's number 3. Why many people fade out from the business. Number 4, they cannot face challenge. Just as number 3 is challenge. Small challenge, they freak out. Maybe somebody bring clothes and the clothes is stained. Color rum, you don't have the chemical of color rum. Muco remover, you don't have it. Rust remover, you don't have it. And then maybe you have all of these things. And then somebody now bring clothes and the clothes now damaged. All the thing now, the clothes now born. Challenge just come. Maybe because you lost some of your worker or your staff, or you lost somebody clothes, and the team was just eating to you. You lost one to the water of more, and then challenge just easily fade up. That's one of the things that make them also fade up again. Challenge, they cannot tolerate challenge at all. Some persons, they don't just want stress. But I don't want stress, and they are not want stress. If you don't want stress, they don't open the laundry business. Because laundry business is a business that will stress you before putting food on your table. Ask others, they will take this as it's a reality. Number 5, they cannot tolerate competition. I made a video about competition make you grow. Check my YouTube channel. There's a video there that you, so people say, competition make you grow. Yes, even though the money will not be coming as it is. Yes, when you have on the shop, yeah. sometimes it frustrates you because the money you should be getting will only you before now. It will not be shared. Yeah. No matter how it is, some customer will not come to you again. They'll go to that place. Maybe probably you didn't come early, or you travel, or you don't feel well. They will not wait for you. They will go to that place to go and holidays. So some persons don't really, they don't take challenges. They don't competition. They cannot really tolerate competition. Hence, they fade out of the business. And then the last another degree is the wrong idea of the business. I made a video about different type of the laundry business. The laundromat is there, the small, medium, big, they're there. But some persons don't over that. They don't even learn the work for anywhere. They just want to start from somewhere, just pick up on boom. And then they ready to show up. They now fade that. These are the few things that make some persons easily give up on the business. Or probably again, the last one on the list is tip. They have unreliable staff. Some reliable staff are there that are there to make on you. Oh, they will make on you. Some staff are just there to make on you. They'll make on you until you dry. Probably you are the type that you have other company that are running, you have other business that are running, you're not making the only business a passive income business to yourself. And you now have unreliable staff. When they do this and they will now, it feel people so I beg it. Instead of I'm not just everything. Maybe you come in the week, with the weekend now, from Monday to Saturday. What now work? Say, oh God, work not do, work not do. You got think cast. Everywhere shook. Work not do. You believe for wealth. Second time, third time, a month. You don't see the things, but you are hearing that they are working in your office. Well, see money. So instead of you to change stuff again, is it again? Some people just fade up. So these are some of the reasons why you wonder why people fade out or they quickly run out of the daily business. Even though the business is lucrative, these are the reasons. But I know you will not be one of them. I know you, listen to me now, you will not be one of them. You should really start the business, or you can go to the full dimension. You shall have branches and you have other people working under you that are reliable. You will not be one of them. Once again, this is Pastor Bay Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and then help us to grow by sharing this video to others, that this channel will be going global. Thank you for this task. God bless you. Bye.